So this is what I had for dinner in Nainital. Okay, rice. So let us start from the garlic naan. Too much food for 2 people. This is roti, since I will just keep one just to decorate the plate. Cover the rest. Let us see what curries we have. This is hot still now, even though it is very cold here. This is mixed veg. Cover it back because it will become cold otherwise. ठंडा हो जाएगा. सी बहुत ठंडा है. हीटर पे चल रहे हैं. हीटर एकदम सामने लगा रखा है. तब this is dal. Okay, another paneer gravy. Too much paneer. Just completed paneer starters, so don't want to have much paneer. But why this much of food for just 2 people? Actually, this hotel had a buffet system, but number of guests for the buffet was less, so they said that you will get the food either in your room or this is rice. We are not opening now. This is Zira rice. This is halwa. I know this क्योंकि बाद में आया था. और स्वीट में हमारे पास इसके अलावा है गुल्ले. And this looks like the most favorite, and this looks like the most awaited dish of the evening. Hopefully this is the chicken item, and yes, this is the chicken item. The quantity looks good क्योंकि इसमें लेग पीस देख लिया था. इसके आगे और क्या ही देखे. हीटर एकदम सामने चला रखा है. और इसमें पनीर है, आलू है, पता नहीं. एंड वन मोर चिकन. इसमें और भी चिकन है. So yeah, the food is good. Taste is good. थोड़े से सैलेड्स रख लेते हैं. That's more than a buffet.